Imagine a short-range surface-to-air missile system designed to engage multiple aerial targets simultaneously. Welcome to the world of the Tor-M2, one of Russia's prized weapons. With a range of 7.5 miles, it's a key player in the ongoing tensions between Russia and Ukraine. But how well does it perform? The Tor boasts an impressive effectiveness rate of 80%. That's a striking difference compared to the Pantsir S-1, which only manages to hit the mark 19% of the time. Yet there's more to this story. Despite the Tor's capabilities, Ukrainian forces claim to have destroyed 4 of these systems in March alone, an assertion that, while unverified, certainly adds a twist to the tale. And what about the future? Only time will tell if the Tor-M2 continues to hold its ground, or if Ukraine's countermeasures will tip the balance. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the complexities of modern warfare.